Yep, this is the Eachine DVR. When I unbox it, I try on the Eachine battery. It's fully charged, as you can see. And when I use the 2S 7.4 volt plug, and when I plug it in, right, nothing happens. So it didn't lit up or anything. And then upon troubleshooting, I tried to use 5 volt, basically the USB power cable. Yeah. So once I put it up, you can see the lights is on. So actually it is able to power up, and thus we reasonably believe that this plug here, the 7.42S plug, is fried or spoiled when it comes. And currently I can't use it on my goggle, the Eachine E100 goggle, because basically I can't power up using this battery. Yeah.